The Neomorphinae subfamily, also known as New World ground cuckoos, comprises birds that are primarily terrestrial, with some species exhibiting arboreal tendencies. Here are the distinctive characteristics and behaviors. Long-legged and long-tailed birds with varied plumage, such as the Greater Roadrunner's streaked, dark brown upperparts and dark brown, crest with white specks. Some species, like the Pavonine Cuckoo, have striking rusty brown heads and white eye-rings. The striped cuckoo's gray-brown upperparts are streaked with black and buff, while its underparts are off-white.